today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe of a very yummy, filling, nutritious and healthy sandwich. That's veg cheese paneer mayo club sandwich. Everything in this sandwich is very appetizing, and believe me, the combination of all these ingredients is just wow. Sue's Food Corner Special Veg Cheese Mayo Paneer Club Sandwich. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Sue's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with this awesome recipe. So for this sandwich recipe, I have here some vegetables. The amount you can differ according to your taste. I have some grated carrot, some finely chopped onions. This sandwich can also be made without onions, and some finely chopped capsicum, one medium sized tomato that is deseeded, that is also finely chopped. You can see I have taken out the seeds, and some boiled corns I have here, sweet corns. And I'll make a very nice sauce which will be used in the sandwich and also will be used as dipping sauce. So mayonnaise I have taken half a cup, tomato ketchup 2 tablespoons and mustard sauce 1 tablespoon. So just mix all these ingredients in this issue and a very nice dipping sauce is ready. This can be used in burgers, this can be used in wraps, this can be used in sandwiches, and believe me, the taste is so awesome, the combination of these 3 sauces. So here I have made the sauce. And now let's begin. So in a bowl, I'll add all the vegetables. First goes the carrot, then some capsicum I've added, some corns. If you have cabbage, you can also add that. Some tomatoes goes in, and onions. And here I have taken cottage cheese or paneer 100 grams. I have cut it into small cubes. This goes in. 2 to 3 tablespoons of the sauce I have added, chili flakes half teaspoon, black pepper powder half teaspoon, mixed herb seasoning I have added half a teaspoon. You can also add oregano if you have, or the sachet of pizza that we get the mixed seasoning of in pizza, that also you can add. So this goes in, and this stuffing is looking so nutritious and so yummy. So for this sandwich I have taken here the classic white bread slice. You can also opt for the brown bread or the multigrain bread, but here I have opted for this one, the plain simple white bread slice. And here I have taken some melted butter. I just need to nicely spread this melted butter over the 3 bread slices here. So I have used a butter knife, and in this way make sure the butter is melted. This will make our work much more easier. You can also microwave the butter for around 3 to 4 seconds, that's it. And this butter I have nicely just spread it on the breads in this way. So now comes the best part. We need to add the stuffing. So 2 tablespoons full stuffing I have added. Just make sure you just spread this toppings or stuffings uniformly around the corners of the bread in this way. And then comes some cheese. You can add any type of cheese. I have added here the mozzarella cheese. And now the butter part goes on top of it in this way. Just slightly press so that it sets down nicely, and then I'll add 1 tablespoon full of the prepared sauce I have made. So in this way spread it also uniformly, and then comes 1 cheese slice, regular processed cheese slice, and the butter part then goes on top of the cheese slice, and a club sandwich is ready. You can see how beautifully I have layered the veggies, the paneer, the cheese and the sauce. So this is the done. You can either grill them on a grill pan, or I have used normal tawa that we have in our homes. Heat the pan in medium flame. I have added some butter. Wait till the butter starts to melt, and then spread the butter uniformly, either using a brush or a spatula in this way, whatever you prefer. But make sure the butter is nicely melted, and on medium flame I'll add this sandwich, and now I'll brush butter on the other side of the bread, because already the part that we had brushed butter, I had used it above the cheese slice. So make sure now you nicely brush with some melted butter, and then I have covered it and let it just nicely toast from one side on low medium flame, not high flame. Make sure the flame is adjusted at this time. In low flame it's better, and then I'll carefully just flip it. So in this way carefully I'll flip that. The other side can also be nicely toasted, and as we had added butter uniformly, that will give a lovely color. Again I'll just cover it on low flame for around 2 to 3 minutes, depends upon your pan and flame, and in 2 to 3 minutes this sandwich will be ready to be savored. and now you can see after 2 to 3 minutes I'll just remove the cover, and this sandwich is almost looking yum because the cheese has melted, and you can see how beautifully all the stuffing, the melted cheese, the sauce has combined together. Let's cut this and see how beautiful it looks from inside. So here I have used a bread knife and very carefully I'll just cut it, and you can see how nicely it has toasted. It's quite crunchy from outside and from inside. Let me show you. It's looking just lovely, and this is how this sandwich looks from inside. Layered stuffing, paneer, veggies, mayo with some cheese and some sauce, and again some cheese slice. This sandwich is a complete meal by itself. We have some beautiful vegetables with some protein, some carbs, some sauce also I prepared that's homemade. So try this out and let me know how it turned out. I'm sure you will love the taste of this sandwich. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Smita Senapati. She writes that prepared all the recipes today. As you know, today is Khudrukuni Puja. Many thanks. Can you give us link for the thali set where you brought this? Very attractive. Thank you so much, Smita, for your lovely comment. And yes, I am so glad that you prepared the recipe of my thali dishes on this auspicious day. So thanks for letting me know. And for this thali set, actually there is the link in the description box about all the things I use in my videos. Most probably those which I prefer, I have given the link in the description box separately, of grocery, of serveware, of cookware, of some decor items that we normally use in my videos. So do check it out, and you will find the link in the description box. Although these are my preferred choices, you can have yours, and the good thing is that you can directly purchase from those links. It's Sue's Food Corner, Amazon shopping page. You can, as I said, I have added some items. I'll be updating this list very often, and those items are my preferences, I have always said. So if you want, you can see them. And yes, thank you for your such lovely comment. I eagerly wait for your beautiful comments, and I really want to upload some videos that will be really helpful to beautiful souls like you. So thank you so much. And for today's recipe, veg cheese mayo paneer club sandwich, as I said, is a complete meal. Do try it out and let me know how it turned out. You can follow Sue's Food Corner on Instagram and Facebook. And if you like today's video, do give it thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.